How to activate and register Audio Director. First of all, open Audio Director on your computer after installation. You will see a prompt to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Enter your email and password if you already have an account, or you can continue signing in using Google, Facebook or Apple ID. If you don't have an account, click Create an account to register a new one. Here I will go with Create an account. Enter your email address and strong password, then tick the privacy policy box and click sign up. An activation email will be sent to your inbox. Open your email and activate your account. Then click on sign in button and you will be logged in. Click on launch free version, or you can click upgrade now to activate your account and access premium features. Now you can start exploring the features immediately. You are ready to start using all the professional audio editing tools for recording, mixing, restoring and enhancing your audio projects. Now you know how to activate and register Audio Director. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.